We are doing it different completely. Uh, in this video, I will show you how to assembling the server. This one is a server rack, or can be used as a network rack also. It came in the box, so I took it off in the box so we can make a process so quick. This is 12U, meaning it can host like 12 devices or network devices. I'm going to show you. This is what came in the box. It came with a nice plastic, and we will assembling this. In next video, I will show you how to mount a network devices on this rack. This is 12U, meaning it can take like 12 devices. So let me show you what came in the box. The first thing it came, this is an instruction. So this is how it's supposed to look when we're done with it. So it has it has 6 pages. I'm going to put a link on the video description so you can look how to install the server rack. And as you can see here, I'm not sure if you can see. This one came from startech.com, and I'm going to put a link so you can see. To make time short, so let's show you what it came in the box. So this is one. So the table is too small here. This is another one. This one will be base. And so those 3. Those are 4. As you can see here, we have 8. Those are 12. And this one is like a wheel or leg, if you can say. This is going to go with this type of rack. This is the home rack. Some of them can be mounted on the wall, but this one has a wheel, so we can push it on the floor. It make it easy. You can move from the room to other room if you want to. You can make them longer, and this is how it should look like. And because this is, so this one is going to go in front. So it should be in front. Okay. And the same thing here. Yep. So that's how it should look like. So as you can see, it's moving. but the reason is in 10. This was in 10. Almost there. All right, let's do it. So, all right, so that's how it should look like. And you see here, they're all together. The only thing I didn't do is this one. You see, you have to adjust this. But I'm not going to do it today. It's when I'm putting devices. And what I mean, this is the device that's going to go right here. So, as you can see, there's something I have to do. So let me show you how it's going to look on the front. But I'm going to end the video here because I don't want to be that too long. But this is how it should look like. So this is the front. So more big. So this is the front. And you're going to put the devices in this way, you know. And which one? This is how this go. So, but this is another video. Now I'm just showing you. So I'm going to screw this one. That's how it's go, and that's how we call it 1U, which is the unit of the measure of this. But this is another video. So next time, please don't put this wheel, otherwise you're not going to make it. And yep, it's very good, and I love it. So another thing here, just to show you, is this is how it goes. So I can't do it right now, but this is how it goes. So the power cable is going to go on. So what I'm going to do now, what are you going to do? You should read the instruction. I don't like reading this thing. I figure out when I make mistake. Yep. So this is how you screw in. You see now? That's how it should go. So I'm not going to do it now. So let me see if I have something. Okay. Okay. Got it. So let's just do one. And yep, that's how it goes. And now you can bring anything Yep, so I'm going to show you just two, and then you do the rest. Just to show you how this works. So this one have to be on the top.